a good time. Her and I were in Encore Performance Dance Studios. It's in Chantilly, Virginia. I'm going to put their information online in the description box. It's been here 15 years. Most of it is over on my left side. This is just one big studio that they own. So please support them, check them out. Bring anyone you want to learn how to dance. They do all ages, mostly younger people, but hey, no age is enough to start to dance. This is a tuck slide. This move works very well when the song comes to an end, when there's a break in the music. It's a very cool move. It's leadable. Hope you like it. First we're going to do it, and then show you how to do it. Okay? First we'll do a shirt push. I switch hands, but I'll show you that in the video how to do it. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9. Okay? It's a nice slide to get out of the song or just end the phrase in the music. It's very cool. How it begins, very simply, is you do have to switch hands leaders. You can switch hands any way you want for the video and for the time's sake. After you do a 3 and 4, right to right. Ask for her left underneath, okay, at the next step of 1. So we're just going to walk on 1, 2, 3, and 4, switch hands. Now this is a tuck turn, so you're going to ask for her left underneath. Bring your body, your left side, guys, get out of the way. 1, 2, raise up both hands, 3 and 4, 5, and 6. Okay? So she's now on the opposite side of the track. We're just going to go this way. I've already switched hands with her. So pull her through, raise both hands over the head. Leaders move off to her left for the next part. Okay? So that's easy. It's very basic, but you got to do all that to get into the fun part. 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So again, off to her left. She's going back where she was, but you got to get out of her way to do so. The next part is a triple, and then finishing the tuck slide with another triple. So, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Kind of hard to do, but we're going to do a triple here for 7 and 8. 7 and 8. So raising both arms up. It's called a bow tie. So both arms are going over the head that you're putting them there. But then you're going to bring the arm down, guys. She turns a little bit. Guys, upper part of her shoulder for the 8th step, and then you're going to push her to her left, which is my right, to do the slide. So, what was that? Yeah, I know. We broke it up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We're going to go 7 and 8, 9, and 10. So the arms, as soon as they go over the head, guys, let go of them. Leaders, get the back of the hand, the back of her right shoulder. If you don't push, she won't go. And you really want to make a compression into it, like a nice slide. So we're going to do it again with a slide. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 9, 10. And see how the arm just slides down into hers, and you're done. Front to back. It's a really fun move. I've taught it before, but it's been a long time. 5 and 6. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9, 10. So the slide, you're already putting on her left foot on that last part of the triple, and just keep her there. If she triples it, she'll be on the wrong foot. All right, all the way. Tuck slide. Sheer push. 3 and 4. Switch hands. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10. It's a fun move. Again, you got to work on this arm coming down, push and slide. When we slide, we're close together on that first triple, but on that last part, leaders, while she's going forward, I'm kind of going out to give us a little more space. In case the song isn't over and you want to do something else. All right? What does Miss Lauren do? What do you think Miss Lauren does? I know. Maybe you don't. Now you will.
In case you were wondering, I am a facilitator and also a coach. I'm based in the DC area, but I'm also working online. So whether you're looking for a team building offsite, strategic planning, maybe you need a coach, definitely email me. Let me know what you're working on. Maybe I can help. dancingwithmarkers.com.
Everything that she is as a business entrepreneur, it's going to be in the description box. So after you give us a thumbs up in the video, check her out online. Maybe she can help you. How bad can that be? So, hope you like this. Till next time, have a great week. As Lauren says,
keep dancing.